Talk about Trump's speech. Learning English through news and speeches.
Did you watch Donald Trump's latest speech?
Yes, I did. What about you?
I watched it too. What did you think?
It was interesting. He made some bold points, didn't he?
He did. Did you find his tone convincing?
At times, yes. But some parts seemed exaggerated.
Did he talk about the economy?
Yes, he mentioned it a lot.
Do you agree with his views on the economy?
Some points, yes. Others, not so much.
What did he say about foreign policies?
He talked about prioritizing America's interests.
Do you think his foreign policy approach is effective?
It could work, but it might isolate the U.S. from allies.
Did he mention his plans for health care?
Briefly. He said he wants to reduce costs.
How do you feel about his health care ideas?
I think they need more details.
Was the speech long?
Yes, it was over an hour.
Was the audience supportive?
Mostly, yes. They cheered a lot.
Did he criticize the current administration?
Yes, quite a bit.
Do you think the criticism was fair?
Some of it, yes. But some seemed biased.
What stood out most to you?
His focus on rebuilding the economy.
Did he discuss education?
Yes, he mentioned reforms.
Did he talk about climate change?
Not much. He focused more on energy independence.
Do you agree with his energy policies?
They have some benefits, but we need to consider the environment too.
Was the media's coverage of the speech accurate?
It varied. Some channels were critical, others were supportive.
Did he answer questions from the press?
No, it wasn't a press conference.
Was there a Q&A session at all?
No, just the speech.
Did he talk about the upcoming elections?
Yes, he hinted at running again.
How did the crowd react to that?
They seemed excited.
Did you agree with everything he said?
Not everything. Some points made sense, though.
Did he talk about immigration?
Yes, he emphasized stricter policies.
What's your opinion on that?
It's a complex issue. I think balance is key.
Did he talk about taxes?
Yes, he promised tax cuts.
Do you think tax cuts are beneficial?
They can be, but they need to be fair.
Was there anything surprising in the speech?
His strong focus on certain states.
Which states did he focus on?
Mainly swing states like Florida and Pennsylvania.
Do you think the speech will help his popularity?
It might with his supporters.
Did he mention the pandemic?
Yes, briefly.
What did he say about it?
He criticized the current handling of it.
Did he propose solutions?
Not specific ones, just general ideas.
Did he talk about women's issues?
Not directly.
Was there anything about infrastructure?
Yes, he mentioned rebuilding roads and bridges.
Do you think that's a priority?
Yes, infrastructure is important.
Did he talk about the military?
Yes, he promised to strengthen it.
Was the speech emotional?
At times, especially when he talked about patriotism.
Did he use statistics in the speech?
Yes, but not all were explained well.
Was the speech televised live?
Yes, it was on several channels.
Did you watch it alone?
No, with my family.
What was their reaction?
Mixed. Some agreed, some didn't.
Did he talk about technology?
A little, of innovation and jobs.
Did he mention small businesses?
Yes, he promised more support.
Do you believe his promises?
I hope so, but we'll see.
Did he talk about student loans?
No, not this time.
Was the speech engaging?
Mostly, yes.
Did he make any jokes?
A few.
Were they funny?
Some were, but others fell flat.
Was there any applause during the speech?
Yes, lots of it.
Did he talk about job creation?
Yes, he promised to create more jobs.
How realistic are his job plans?
They sound good, but they need details.
Did he mention the Supreme Court?
Yes, briefly.
What did he say about it?
He praised its recent decisions.
Did he mention trade policies?
Yes, he focused on fair trade deals.
What's your overall impression?
It was powerful but divisive.
Would you recommend others watch it?
Yes, to form their own opinions.